Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to delete games on the Xbox Series S. So what you want to do is on your Xbox controller, you just want to click on the Xbox logo, then click on My Games and Apps, See All, and then you want to click on Games, and then you're going to see here the games you have on your Xbox Series S. So what you're going to do, let's say I want to delete Call of Duty Black Ops 3, I'm going to press the Start button on the controller, and then you're going to see this option right here which says Uninstall. You're going to click on Uninstall. You will see this message, you're about to uninstall Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Just click on this one, uninstall all, and then you'll be good to go. Now if you want to uninstall, certain DLC packs and not the full game, you want to press the start menu, start button on the game, and then you want to go to manage games and add-ons, and then you're going to click on the game. And depending on which game you have, you may have all these options right here. So let's say you have some DLC that you have downloaded. What you would do is you would unselect that DLC, and then you click on save changes, and then that will delete the DLC off of your device. Of course, if you just unselect the base game, the full game will be removed. If you do have the DLC stuff installed, that will stay installed. Just keep that in mind. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.